guys? It's your boy Christian.
And it's a girl, Jules.
So yun nga mga kampay, panibagong video na naman, you know what I'm saying. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aming channel, kayo mag-subscribe na, pakipindot rin yung tililing bell button na yan para kayo ay updated sa aming videos pag may bago kaming upload. Wow! So welcome back sa ating channel mga kampay. Welcome din sa mga baguhan dyan. Welcome sa Pamilyang Kalog.
And Team Puyat.
Yes, certified puyat gang na kayo mga kampay. So for today's vlog, shoutout mga kampay. Shoutout to Irish and all pet. So hindi ko ulit alam kung tama yung pagka-pronounce ko. So shoutout sa'yo, God bless you. Thank you sa pag-comment. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you. Kung gusto niyo ma-shoutout for the next vlog, just comment down below right now. So for today's vlog, mga kampay, kung nakita nyo naman sa title, yes, Canadian girlfriend tries Filipino snack. And kung magre-reklamo na naman kayo kung bakit Canadian yung nilagay ko, kasi aling huling is Canadian. So kakauwi lang namin mga kampay, namalengke kami ng gagamitin ngayong vlog. So pumunta kami sa dalawang Filipino store. So yes, aling huling natikman niya naman ng ibang chichirya. So bali yung mga binili lang namin is yung hindi niya pa natatry. So yes, aling huling magbilang ka ng 3, pupunta dito yung pagkain natin.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
I'm tired.
Magic. So ito makikita ng mga kampay, yung iba, ibang flavor lang kasi yung hindi natikman ni Aling Huling, tapos yung iba, candy. And yes, hindi pa daw na-try ni Aling Huling. So, anong gusto mong una natin i-try?
Wait, disclaimer. For everyone that says that this is bad for me because I'm pregnant, it's not like I'm gonna be eating everything in the bag. It's just a taste. Right? So, don't comment down below bashing me, please.
Yeah.
That's it.
Magagalit sa inyo si baby. So yes, katuwaan lang naman to and sana mag-enjoy kayo. Mag-subscribe na kayo mga kampay. So ang unang gusto daw tikman ni Aling Huling is itong Skyflakes na kondensada. Okay?
You're gonna try with me?
No, you try first.
Yeah, but you try with me. Ay!
I know. Siyempre, dyan na ako magta-try. Hindi mo na nauubusin lahat yan eh.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
It smells so sweet.
Kondensada nga eh, di ba? How was it? Sarap?
It's okay. You know the sunflower crackers, the yellow one? They're the sunflower crackers that taste like this.
Okay.
I would rate that 6 out of 10. So next we got another Skyflakes, but this one says Skyflakes crackers fit oat fiber crackers. So that one.
Hindi ko pa rin natikman yan.
So it's made with oat fiber, I guess.
No.
So we got the wrong one, guys. We're supposed to get the onion flavor, but it was the same color, the packaging.
Yeah, mali yung nadampot ko. Pero nandun naman siya sa section na yun eh. Ewan ko kung bakit.
So this is supposed to be like a healthy version of Skyflakes?
Maybe. Skyflakes, baka naman. Normal lasa?
I don't know if I like it.
Parang wala, parang normal lang.
Actually, it would taste good with peanut butter.
Okay, rate mo.
4 out of 10.
So, pangatlo, Cloud9 daw mga kampay. Try natin. This is one of my favorite, you know. Dinedekwat ko to eh. Cloud9, ano na? So, papakainin ko rin si Mochi na ito. Mochi!
Hey!
Joke.
Ready?
Cheers. Toss. Mga kapitbahay! Sarap! Sarap?
It's okay.
It's okay. Pero inubos mo.
It reminds me of Mars Bar. You know Mars Bar? Yeah, it's a chocolate bar here, Mars Bar. So if you guys want to see Christian doing trying Canadian snacks and candies, then just 1 thumbs up. That's all we need.
Uy, kadaya mo naman.
Just 1.
1K naman daw ah.
10.
Okay?
1,000. I mean, thumbs up.
10 thumbs up!
Yeah.
Di wala rin akong choice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, something savory. Which one? Let's do this.
Oh my God. You know mga kampay, this one is, oh my God. Lagi kong dinedekwat to sa tindahan ng lola ko. Yan. Paborito ko to. Snack ko. Amoy mo muna. Ano amoy? Bango, di ba?
It smells like sinigang powder.
Really?
No, I don't know. It smells like magic syrup.
Grab some, grab some.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's good.
Feels like home.
It tastes like something. It tastes familiar.
Vegetable. Vegetable.
I'll give that 8 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
I would give that 11 out of 10. Yeah.
Really? You like it that much?
That's my favorite. I told you.
Okay, next, Sticko.
Sticko. Sticko! Ano na? Ay, nakatape pa pala. Bobo.
So I tried the strawberry and the chocolate one of this, but I haven't tried the buko pandan flavor. So that's why we got that one. Oh, and I tried, they have an ube one, right? And I tried the ube one too. Just this one because I'm not really a fan of coconuts.
Really?
Like fake coconut.
Wow! No, ito, dapat...
No, I always save that for last.
Really? Yan yung inuuna ko lagi. So ako na-try ko na to sa Pilipinas pa lang. Cheers! How is it?
It's good.
It's good.
It just tastes like fake coconut. But I will eat more later. It's good.
Ito eh.
I give it 9 out of 10.
So ang next naman daw na titikman ni Aling Huling is yung Marty's na cracklings. Yan.
I tried the original flavor of this one, but I haven't had this flavor, so that's why we got it.
Same, hindi ko pa ito natitikman. Ata, I'm not sure, pero let's try it. Sakto! Kung mapapanood nyo ito mamaya, may pulutan na tayo. Ano mo? May kilikili mo. Hey, hindi mo na ako nintay.
Sorry. Wait, I'll get another one. Cheers. That's
Parang
so good.
inasal. Ang laki ng supot, eto lang yung laman. Kalakas ang tama naman yan.
It's right here. Last.
May madami na. Madami pang junk foods dyan, oh.
That's so good. 10 out of 10. I'll give that 10 out of 10. I could eat the whole bag probably.
Ito ang inintay kong tikman ni Aling Huling.
Not yet. We're
Dilis.
doing
Kaya nga.
sweet then savory. So sweet this
Ang sabi ko, hinihintay mong
Okay,
hinihintay kong
baby.
kainin mo. Kiss mo ako, galit ako eh. This one?
Yeah.
Ito, yung lagi kong binibili sa school. Break time ko, ganito.
I don't know why my lolas never let me buy any candies when I was in the Philippines. I would always take it from the sari-sari store.
Buksan mo, yan.
Wow, there's only 6?
Yeah, malaki kasi yan. Ako hindi ko na-try to, babe.
Why?
Kasi,
You just-
ilang beses ko na na-try yan eh. Alam ko na yung lasa niyan. Saka hindi mo naman mauubusin lahat yan eh.
Oh, it's crushed. Okay, ready?
Ano lasa?
Chocolate.
May
We have
tinapay.
something like this here.
Really?
Yeah. Actually, it tastes like kind of lemon.
May lemon ba to? Wala naman eh.
It tastes like there's lemon.
No, wala.
Yeah, we have something like this here in Canada. I'll make you try it. It's called wagon wheels.
Wagon wheels?
Yeah.
Wagon?
I don't know. I don't like the chocolate on it. I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
Okay. Ano, next?
Next, let's do this one.
Gusto mo ito? So, ito ang pinakainihintay ko mga kampay. Hindi pa daw natikman ni Aling Huling Tondiles. Tapos tinatakman ko yan. Baka naman, ano.
So it's... Dilis is anchovies?
Ewan ko kung dilis to. Wait nga. I think so. Yeah, dilis to. Handa ka na ba? Are you sure?
Yes.
Amoy pa One to you.
One to you.
Kampay.
Cheers.
Suka na lang kulang. Hindi ko malasahan masyado. One more. One more!
That's 2.
Oh, you like it, hey?
Am I eating the eyeballs?
Yeah? Buo yan. Ay, wala tong ulo.
There's no.
Yeah, walang ulo. Why? You don't like ulo? Why?
I feel bad like I'm eating their brains.
So, meron na lang tayo natitirang 4 mga kampay. Yan. Anong unahin mo? So, meron lang tayo isang
I didn't
chichira
rape
tapos
it.
puro
Rape it.
candy. Rape? You wanna rape it?
I didn't rate it yet.
Okay, go.
I gave it 7.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, not bad. So,
I want
which
this
one? So, kanina, nung nandun kami, sabi ni Aling huling na-try na daw yung flat tops, pero tong curly tops, hindi pa niya na-try. So, I guess, parang same lang na lasa, pero go try it.
What's the difference?
Chocolate yung isa, tas chocolate din to. Flat yung isa, ito curly.
That's the only difference?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't like it.
Bakit ayaw mo?
I don't know, the texture is weird. And then it doesn't even taste like chocolate.
Parang pag kinagat mo siya, nagiging powder, no?
I'll give
Dami
that,
na kasi natin kinain.
yeah. I'll give that a 3.
Baba. So, as of now, yun yung pinakamababang ni-rate ni Aling huling. So, which one? To?
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually,
Kaya na
I'm
pang
gonna-
last mo yan.
Yeah.
Which one? Lip or right? Lip?
This one.
Amin mo.
Walang amoy. So this is the Copico Cappuccino Candy.
Tapos yung na-try daw ni Aling huling is yung Coffee Ko Original.
Yeah.
Good? Huwag mo na iluluwa yan. Bonus mo na yan.
Thank you.
Bonus na yan mga kampay ha. Huwag nyo na iba si Aling huling. Which one is next? Oh, Dynamite. So itong Dynamite, isa rin to sa pinaka-paborito ko na candy. Masarap din yung chocolate niya sa gitna. So na-try mo na to?
rate it.
I know, basta sinasabi ko lang. Natikman mo na to? Ay, wow. Kaya nga natin binili kasi hindi mo pa natikman. So rate it.
10. 10
10?
out of 5. But I love coffee, so that's why.
Okay. Dinamita! I wanna try this one.
Just wait.
Baby!
Yeah.
Cheers!
It's just mint.
Hintay mo yung aftershock. Kagatin mo na. Grabe, sarap. Ang sarap ng chocolate niya talaga. Paborito ko to.
How did you get it so fast?
What do you mean? Kinagat ko. Hindi lang sa ganun ka-hard. Sarap, di ba?
I can't taste the chocolate.
Ganun mo, sipsipin mo kasing gitna.
I can't taste this chocolate. I don't want this anymore.
Why? Ew! Ba't may ngawi, babe? Bihiramin naman ko.
Because I needed to get it out of my mouth.
So mga kampay, last but not the least, itong Oishi Mobsters Caramel and Cheese Popcorn. Ako hindi ko pa ito natatry. Ewan ko kung bakit. Siguro hindi ko ito nabutan. Or meron na to dati pero hindi ko lang talaga binibili.
Oh, I thought it was lobster.
What the heck? Ano rate mo doon?
Like 5.
5?
Yeah, because I can't taste the chocolate.
Ito nang buksan.
Wait, you need one of each.
Cheers! Masarap. Masarap ng cheese.
It's good.
Ano i-rate mo?
9.
9? It's good pero 9?
Yeah. That's my favorite.
Say hi to them. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am Mochi. Yeah, I am madungis today because hindi pa ako naliligo. Bukas pa ako papaliguan ni Aling Huling. Ang balita kay Mochi, wala talaga. Hindi siya sa amin pwede. So, I'm gonna miss this dog so much. For real, bro. Look at
She's
her.
gonna miss us. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed us trying all these Filipino snacks Excuse me. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and ring the ting-a-ling-ting bell button na yan. You know. So always remember to stay positive. It's bawal to be negative. And just don't mind the people who are trying to bring you down because they're just jealous. And yeah, we just did English outro, you know what I'm saying?
So paalam mga kampay, haters gonna hate! Peace! Peace! Bye-bye, Machi! Bye!